G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. In this trip away, we're out here at the four-wheel drive tracks at Flinders View, just outside of Ipswich. We're asking the question, once again, go or no go? Let's get Four Wheels on the road.
You go, no go for that.
The four-wheel drive tracks out here at Flinders View, or Ripley as it's probably called really on the map, not far outside of Ipswich and around about 45 minutes outside Brisbane. There's a lot of different entries into the tracks here, most of which are on the Cunningham highway side, but the entry that we're taking in today is on Ripley Road. To begin with this morning, we're just taking the Cunningham highway track, which is right next to the Cunningham highway. We're just going to go from the entry up here at Ripley Road down the bottom towards Deaving Creek. The surface and the trails along here are actually really quite easy, and if you can't access a particular point of the track where it's washed out, there's usually other options available. So if you are somebody who has a bit more of a hardcore four-wheel drive or is a bit more of an experienced four-wheel driver, there's different routes available for you here, and there's also different routes available for beginners as well. Some points of the track here, as you'll see, are a little bit washed out, but there's generally other routes available to get to other sections of the tracks or the internal tracks. We're just on the external at the moment, so we just wanted to check this section out. And we're just going to go down now and quickly take a look at one of the little play areas down on this particular side of the tracks, on the Cunningham highway side. There's varying degrees of difficulty in all of the tracks here, so it caters for most levels of four-wheel driving skill. And I've also seen quite a lot of people here on motorbikes on the weekends, so it's a pretty widely used track. There's a few different options available here for terrain as well. You've got sort of sandy grounds, you've got creek beds, you've got rocky areas as well. There's been quite a bit of rain up here at the moment, so you'll see there's quite a bit of mud and quite a few of the holes are filled up with water, so that's made things a little bit interesting and a little bit slick in some places. Don't forget, if you're getting some value from this video and my channel, to like, comment, subscribe and also share. It's greatly appreciated. going to take one of the exits now back out onto Cunningham Highway and turn around and go back up to Ripley Road, and then explore the Monterea Rd Entry on the other side of the tracks. As you'll see on the map here, there's quite a bit of space that all of these tracks and trails actually take up, so it's a really big area. We're only just going to explore a little bit of the area today and just check out what it's like, as it's the first time I've been here, so I just wanted to have a quick look through the area and see what's available. This particular section we're at here on the Monterea Road trail has quite a big play area. There's sort of half a dozen different trails available and difficult things for people to do. All of this has just been set up by people just coming and hanging out. It's not an official four-wheel drive trail or anything, and as we mentioned before, it's free, so it's quite a good option if you just wanted to come out and just take your four-wheel drive for a bit of a spin and perhaps even learn. These sort of tracks might be something that really suits you if that's your bag. So as you can see, there's some pretty good options here, and it's a really good place to hang out. I think it's definitely a place I'm going to come and check out again. Probably due to its proximity to Ipswich, it's going to be really busy on the weekends, but I guess only time would tell. You'd have to come up on the weekends and check it out and see what the place is like. But as I said, there's so much space here, so you could probably find a little place where you can just hang out and be by yourself, get some privacy, find some nice little easy tracks to go through. We've only just explored a couple of the tracks here. There were heaps and heaps and heaps that I drove past, so I just wanted to sort of give a bit of an overview of what I saw, and I'll come back another time here and do some different trails and do another video. I've driven past on the Cunningham Highway 100 times and gone, geez, I'd really like to go in there one day, and I had no idea of the extent of the trails until I actually sort of went in today and just came through, so quite a good area. Alright, well that's it from us up here at the four-wheel drive tracks at Flinders View. It's been a really great day out here. I've really enjoyed the place. Let me know what you think of the place in the comments down below. Is it a go or is it a no-go? Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly share the channel. I really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time we get four wheels on the road. Deeper than I thought it was going to be. Took it easy on that one. Oh dear.